Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install OBS Studio on a Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here OBS Studio download. Hit enter. Here you need to scroll down and you will get this obsproject.com. So click on that. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you will see a download button for Windows. By the way, you can also download it for Mac OS and Linux. For Windows, just simply click on this download button and it's going to download our OBS installer. Once downloaded, just simply click on that installer. You go to apps with administrative privileges, click on yes, and you can minimize your browser. Here, just simply click on next again, and click on install. That's going to immediately start installing our OBS Studio. And there you go. Our OBS Studio is now rightly installed. Just simply click on finish. That's going to launch OBS Studio. And it has rightly launched. Here to select, whether you like to optimize it for specifically streaming and recording is your secondary option, or your recording is primary and not streaming. In that case you need to select this. Or if you like to use virtual camera as well, so then you need to proceed with third. So it's totally your wish. If you like to use it for streaming, then I'll recommend you to proceed with this. Or if you'd like to proceed with just recording, streaming is not your primary, then you can proceed with the second one. I recommend you to proceed with the first one, that is optimized for streaming and recording is secondary, and click on next. Here also you can keep it default, use the current resolution. So whatever resolutions your display has, so it's going to use that. And FPS or frame per second is also, I'll recommend you to keep it default, that is 60 or 30, but prefer 60 when possible. And click on next. And here you have to provide on which streaming platform you'd like to connect with, Twitch or YouTube or Twitter. So whichever streaming service you want to use, you can proceed with that. I'll proceed with YouTube, and here you can just provide your stream key. Then I'll prefer to use stream key. So for that, already you'll get a detailed video on our channel. So I'll cancel this for now. Now I'm going to show you how to use for screen recording. So first you need to create a scene. So you can just click on plus icon and click on OK. So a scene is created, and then you need to provide a source. So for that you need to click on this plus icon and you can proceed with display capture. So click on OK. And here in capture method you can proceed with this desktop duplication, and in display you can select whatever is your source. So I'm using a Dell monitor, so I'm going to select that monitor and I'm going to click on OK. And now you can see whatever is there on this monitor, it is rightly started mirroring that. And now to start recording, you need to just click on the start recording, and you can see immediately it is rightly started recording. So whatever you are doing, you're going to a browser, you're scrolling up and down, whatever you are doing, it is actually recording. So when you click on stop recording, and when you go to video directory, you can see a video file gets recorded. So when you open that, you can see whatever you have done, like you went to browser and you did the scroll up, scroll down, all these things that whatever you have done is what it has recorded properly. So that's how you install OBS Studio, and you can start recording your screen and you can make videos like me. If your laptop has a mic, then it automatically going to record that as well. Or else you can just simply buy a mic like this. I'll provide a link on our channel description, so you can buy that mic as well. That's going to help you to record without background noise as well. So that's how I install OBS Studio. Please do subscribe and join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more these similar kind of videos. And also if you're interested on Python, you can refer all these different videos on our channel. All are completely free, and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So do check out all these different videos. I'm sure you are going to love them. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.